Okay, I'm going to introduce you to some of the elements on the configuration page. At the top here we have our preferred efficiency level. You can, if you wish, pick an efficiency level along here, for example efficient. If you click that and press update, then all of these panels which aren't up to that efficiency level will be highlighted with a small yellow triangle on this side, and then you have to go and make changes within that panel to get your everything within the build to that specific efficiency level. I would recommend not going down that road to start with, and instead carrying on and going through changes within certain elements and seeing how they all work out. And I'm going to give you an example of that straight away. If we click on windows and doors, it's a good example that people understand. You'll see within the panels here that there are yellow triangles. They are notes that are worth reading. They just explain exactly what is important for that specific group. So let's go back to Windows now and make a change to the windows. At the moment we have efficient Windows UPVC white, and the overall cost on that is 18,010. We can change these. Now within Windows there are an awful lot of different options on Windows, so we've installed and you can see we can go to the next page and keep going through. But what we've installed a filter at the top, and if you select the filter, then you can see that the prices show. The system is set up to calculate prices as long as there are less than 15 items there. If we had to calculate prices for everything as we go on, it would grind the system down. So now we can see within this bracket here, we're paying 18,000 for our windows. I'm going to pick expensive windows here, these nice clad passive windows for 40,000. And as you know, click on back here and our overall price will have updated. Remember now that if you want to get your BER, you'll have to go back and run the energy tab again. Now let's have a look at coins. There's an interesting thing on coins here. We don't have any coins selected. So what I'm going to do first of all is change the coins globally. That means changing the coins all around the building. So to see which coins we're talking about, we click on the PDF, and you can see that all the coins in this example are named. And we're looking at the front of the house. We just want to put coins on 1, 5 and 6, those three corners there and there. Okay, so we go back to our tab here. If we go to change globally first of all, and we'll put coins on, we'll just put grey granite coins everywhere. See, our filter took a little bit of time to run through, and we'll pick these ones here. Okay, so we'll just €2,000 on those coins. Alright, now let's say we want to just have coins, we decide we want coins of 156. We could go back and change globally and take all the coins off, so you can click on none, and you see that no coins in the system now. And then we can go and change coins individually, and I'm going to go for 1, corner 5, corner 6. So they've selected those corners where we want coins, and now we'll just select, well, again, because there are too many options, we are best off to filter up here. We look at grey granite, and we're waiting now, and then the prices show up here, individual for each corner. Now let's select these now, and now we have a selection there. There are no coins, and this is for our grey granite coins, and our overall total for the granite coins is 146. So that's how that change locally and globally works with electrics as well in a lot of areas. You'll find it. A good example then is light dimmers, for instance, where you can put light dimmers in every room or light dimmers in just a few rooms, the same sort of thing. Okay, remember that the PDFs are here and they're relevant in a lot of the different areas as well. Now going back here to the start, a couple of other things I'd like to show you. Okay, another couple of important elements within the product selection page. First of all, you can specify which builder or which supplier you want your product to come from if you have a specific supplier in mind. So for instance, you may choose BlackRock Builders Depot. You might know somebody there. You might want your builder to get a quote from there, so you can specify that. recommend really not doing that in most cases, because your builder may have a better get a cheaper price somewhere else. But anyway, you do have the option. Also, you can put a note for the builder. For instance, here we can say blue banger slates to be inspected by client before installation. Make sure you save that so the builder knows that. And of course, we mentioned the PDFs. There are PDFs there that show you different elements, and they're available on most products as well. Those PDFs might be very important for the builder to view, so when the builder is pricing, working out how much labor it's going to take to build that roof, PDFs are very important for the builder. Okay. Now, another very convenient element within the site is the PC sum. Let's have a look at that now. If we go to internal joinery, there are no prices in for dado rails, wardrobes, etc. Let's go to wardrobes, and the PC sum option available through the change globally button. There's a video explaining PC sums as well. It's Moss doing the stuff. We'll go to change. We'll put in a PC sum. So click on select, and let's just say for that furniture you have a good idea that you want to put €12,000 in total up. Click submit, and now that's added on to your overall build total. Okay, you can put a note for the builder if you wish in that as well. Another important facility within the site is the quantifying cost facility. There are some items, for instance your access road, which we cannot cost because we will not have dimensions on that. So we have a tick box here, builder to quantifying cost. I'm going to ask you to quantify and cost that, and you can put a note in for the builder as well. And once you've finished configuring your building, or at any stage within the build, you can go back to the home page, and you'll notice if you make changes that your energy rating requires processing. So you've got to click on the energy compliance button and process the energy. This will take 2 or 3 minutes to run, so you have to wait. There's an interesting video there that you can watch all about the whole energy side of your building, which is worth listening to. And as I said, as you're waiting for that energy processing to complete. And finally, when you're happy with uBuildPRO software, we'd be delighted if you went to the Add a New Building button and uploaded your own building, and we will process that and we'll get back to you within a week or so. These drawings have to be in DWG format. You may need to go to your architect to get versions of those if the architect is reluctant to release them to you. You can contact us at drawings@ubuildpro.com and let us know, or you could ask the architect to go directly to the site and upload from his or her office for you. Okay, thank you for watching.